Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Greetings, greetings everyone. My name is Meg, and today I'm going. My name is Meg, and I am of class 7th B of Doon Public School. My mother's name is Mrs. Sunita Rani, and my father's name is Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. I am a student of Bright English classes, and today I'm going to share share 10 similes with you. So, firstly, I will tell what are similes. Similes are Similes are figures of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind. It is used to make your sentences more attractive. So, let's begin with my first simile, that is a- as strong as an ox. As strong as an ox means that the person is physically strong like an ox. We can use like my friend is as strong as an ox. If it is clear, my next simile for you is they fought like cats and dogs. They fought like cats and dogs. It means that two or more people are fighting like cats and dogs. We can use in a sentence like my cousin and my brother for fights like cats and dogs. If your siblings also fight fight like cats and dogs, tell me in comments. My next simile is runs like wind. Runs like wind. Runs like wind means that a person is a person runs very fast like wind. That we are comparing that person to wind. Like in marathon, many people runs like wind. My next simile is as easy and ABC. As easy and ABC. It means it means that the task is very ABC. The task is very easy like an ABC. Like for hard workers, everything is as easy as ABC. My next simile is watching grass grow. Watching grass grow. It is an it is a slow and beautiful process. In a sentence, we can say like what watching this show is as watching this show is like watching grass grow. Or we can say watching a cricket match as as watching cricket so watching cricket match is watching grass grow. If it is clear, my next simile is as thin as a rail. As thin as a rail. It means like the person is very thin, comparing him to rail. Like the thread is very thin, so I said the the thread is as thin as a rail. Like after after dieting, my mother said, "You are looking like you are looking as thin as a rail." My next, if it is clear, my next simile is as hot as hell. As hot as hell. It means that we are comparing a place to hell. We are comparing a place to hell. Like, have you experienced the have you experienced the humidity of Panchkula that is as hot as hell? If it is clear, my next simile is as common as dirt. As common as dirt. It means the thing is very common and can be found easily everywhere in the world. Like I have I have a design in my shirt and same design was in my friend's shirt. So he said this design is this design is very common and I said yes, it is as common as dirt. My next simile is as bright as a button. As bright as a button. This means this means the person is very attractive, attentive, and very intelligent. So we can use this simile as bright as a button. Like she she is very frail, but she is as bright as a button. My next simile is My next but not least simile is as happy as a clam. As happy as a clam. It is a simile we can use when a person is very happy, like a water animal clam. We can use in a sentence like on birthday everyone was as happy as a clam. There is also a song that is in that song similes is only used. So forget to don't forget to listen that song. It will really help in speaking and your speech will be very attractive and interesting when you are speaking in public. It will also beautify your speaking and writing. Thank you. Meet you soon.